Hey guys, KIRKSHINTA Turnipseed here. I'm watching the proposal. Anyways, I hope everyone's having a blessed day. And in this video, I wanted to show you, first of all, I wanted to talk a little bit about why lives need to be part of your marketing strategy. As you know, an affiliate marketer, whatever, right? Lives need to be part of your strategy. People will partner with people who they know, like, and trust, and people that they can actually see. And because you don't have physical products, you're digital, or even if you do have physical products, um, people have to be able to shop through your imaginary digital store, right? I don't like to use the word imaginary, but you're not a store where people could like walk through like Walmart or Sears or whatever and touch things. So you are the closest thing to what they're going to see or what they're going to experience. So they need to see you. A lot of people want to be secret agents, and you cannot. Not in a digital space. They still need to see you as the forefront of their store. So videos are an important piece in that. Lives are an important piece of that. But what I wanted to show you is how to repurpose your lives and upload them to YouTube, and then gain an extra audience, free leads, and post your link in the box, and get some people to drive towards your capture page. Okay, so on YouTube, what you want to do is right click on a video that you made, a live, and it'll say show video URL. So actually, let me scroll up because, okay, there is the Facebook video URL. What I do is I just copy that, and I have a Google Doc. Okay, so I just paste them there, and when I get a chance, I will then copy this link and I'll go to this website, fbdown.net. I'll paste this link in there and download the video, my Facebook Live that I just did. Now I'm going to upload it to YouTube. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and I'll put my link in the section where you can put info, and that's pretty much it, so that people can reach me. Okay, now one thing is, if you're gonna repurpose lives and upload them to YouTube, here's my tip. Make sure the end of your live, the beginning and the end of your live, you say thanks for hopping on. If you're watching this on YouTube, hello, right, or whatever. Make sure you also say, if you're watching this in YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. You can even say share. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, so that way when you're done, people in YouTube land know what to do. They know to go check out the comment section below, because that's where more information is going to be. They know that they need to like this video. They know they need to comment. They know they need to share. You have to tell people how to engage. All right, so that's it. You make your live, place them in a Google Doc or a Word document, and then when you get a chance, you highlight the links for your Facebook Live, and you go to fbdown.net, paste that link, and you can download the video and upload it to YouTube. Right, so that's an easy way to leverage things that you're already doing, save yourself time, and build an audience on YouTube, which is the largest search engine and one of the largest search engines in the world. So you want to be leveraging YouTube. So that is how I do it. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. I kind of have a headache. I'm like kind of hungry, but I don't feel like going downstairs to eat. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know below if this was helpful to you, and don't forget to check out the comment section, because there'll be some information on how you can connect with me and rock your business. And that's it. Bye, guys.